Welcome back to Daily Drives, where we bring you the most innovative machines, groundbreaking designs, and futuristic rides redefining the world of transportation. If you're passionate about cutting-edge mobility, extreme engineering, and next-gen concepts, you're in the right place. So make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay updated on the future of motion. Now, let's dive into something truly unique and adventurous, the 2026 Camper Trike. This futuristic blend of mobility and comfort is taking over the micro-camping world with a storm. It's compact, efficient, eco-friendly, and above all, built for freedom lovers who want to take their home wherever the road leads. Imagine a three-wheeled electric trike that doesn't just get you from one point to another, but also transforms into a mini camper, yes, a fully functional personal camper on wheels. The 2026 Camper Trike is exactly that. Designed for solo travelers or minimalist explorers, this vehicle combines electric mobility with smart camping features in a lightweight, stylish package. At first glance, the Camper Trike stands out with its aerodynamic yet rugged body design. The Trike features a sturdy frame with enclosed rear housing that expands into a sleeping pod or compact shelter. Built using lightweight aluminum alloys and composite materials, it ensures durability without adding excess weight. And thanks to its collapsible structure, it transitions from a sleek ride to a cozy camping station within minutes. Powering this beast is a high-capacity lithium-ion battery, providing a range of up to 100 miles on a single charge, perfect for short cross-country road trips or weekend escapes into nature. With regenerative braking and optional solar panel integration on the camper shell, energy efficiency has reached a whole new level. Charging ports for gadgets, LED lighting, and smart battery management systems all come standard, turning this trike into a mobile tech hub. The ride comfort is top-notch too, with dual suspension systems, fat tires for extra grip, and a low center of gravity. The Camper Trike can handle city streets, dirt trails, and even slightly rough terrain. Whether you're riding through a quiet forest path or cruising along a coastal highway, this trike promises stability and smoothness all the way. One of the biggest highlights is the camper module itself. It includes a fold-out sleeping space, large enough for one adult, built-in storage compartments for gear and supplies, and even an optional kitchenette setup. Ventilation, insulation, and weatherproofing have all been carefully engineered to offer protection in diverse climates. Some models even come with attachable awnings and compact seating arrangements for the ultimate mobile campsite experience. Tech-savvy users will love the digital dashboard, GPS navigation, smartphone integration, and remote diagnostics. The 2026 version also introduces an advanced security system with anti-theft GPS tracking and motion sensors, giving peace of mind whether you're riding or parked in the middle of nowhere. Another bonus: no special license is needed in many regions to operate the Camper Trike, making it accessible to a wide range of adventure seekers, from college students and digital nomads to retirees craving the open road. But it's not just about practicality. This trike is a statement of lifestyle. It embodies sustainability, independence, and the spirit of exploration. It's for those who want to break free from traditional living and travel light while staying comfortable. Whether you're heading to a music festival, a forest retreat, or just enjoying the weekend away from the city noise, the Camper Trike is your all-in-one travel partner. In a world where urban spaces are crowded, fuel costs are rising, and environmental concerns are growing, the Camper Trike offers a refreshing, responsible, and exciting alternative. With a futuristic design, reliable performance, and camping functionality all wrapped into one, it's not just a vehicle, it's a movement. So, would you consider switching to a Camper Trike lifestyle? Or do you see it as a secondary escape pod for the weekend? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching Daily Drives. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2026 Camper Trike, give us a thumbs up and share it with fellow travelers. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech rides and futuristic vehicles every single week. Until next time, stay curious, stay mobile, and keep driving into the future.